Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's time to pot on these beautiful peony pots. You can see here, just trying to get some new shoots there. This one here, some moss over the top, but this one will start getting some new shoots shortly. Both of them, yep. Just see there, some new shoots. See there. This one's that they're in the ground. Look at the difference, they're coming on nicely. So this is some old potting compost that I'm reusing. This is from my pots and baskets from last year. Really good stuff, don't waste it. Do not put it in your recycling. I like to keep reusing it over and over again. Really top stuff. So what I'm moving them in from is these pots here to these here. We've been in these for 2 or 3 years now. I'm going to be putting them on into these. Alright, let's get this filled up first then. I'm going to put a few inches in the bottom first. There's some organic matter in here, but it's not the end of the world. It's not going to affect my peonies. So once I've got that in there like so, what I need to do then is basically knock this out then. You can see this, folks. I'll try and get it to film from here if I can. If that's okay. Just get. So yeah, what I want to do with this then is just knock it out like so. You get your hand there, get a gentle tap, it's quite in one go. As you can see there, nice root system there. What you want to do there is centre it like so and get your compost, put it all the way around, and I am going to just leave an inch over the top of this. You don't want to bury them too deeply, but yeah, just around the edge, tap it down like so, just an inch over the top. Yeah, you don't want to bury them too deeply because it will send out more shoots and flowers then. So get on the floor like so, and then what you do then, give it a really good water. So I've got my watering can here that I just knocked over. Spin it round. Yeah. Water it in. You want to give it a really good soak, get rid of any air bubbles. That's really nice that. Like I said, this doesn't cost me anything because this is some compost that I've reused. Yeah, you can see that that's the old stems from before, and that is absolutely spot on in that. Put that to one side, and that's before and after. If you see here, that's the difference in pot size. So that's my pot there, probably 10 inches across. This one's probably over 12 inches, probably 14 inches across. So yeah, that's how to pot on your peonies to improve, get more flowers. You see the shoots just coming through there, which is absolutely great. If you've got any questions, I'd like to ask folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.